What is up, T.O.G? Yeah, every once in a while, you know, I'll end up with a dead battery or my SD card will fill up, but never so often have I had so many problems with my cameras. Now, just this past month, I probably lost a total of like 5 or 6 videos, or 5 or 6 videos worth of footage, and it has just been so freaking annoying. I mean, that's a lot of time spent recording when you think you're recording, and then you get back and you find out that the camera turned off and turned back on, or just some weird crap has happened so that you lost so that I lost what I recorded. And it just makes me like throw my hands up and feel like I want to stop doing what I'm doing. All right, I obviously something like this would never make it so that I'd stop motovlogging, but it's just so annoying and so maddening. But I thought I'd share with you what I found to be the problem was, so that if this ever happens to you while you're recording, that you might not know that this is something pretty simple that happens. So I think what happens is, so first of all, you got to make sure that your camera is updated. It has the most recent update, right? They do bug fixes and stuff. But the thing that was wrong with mine was that I just use my Mac to delete my SD card. And what happens is it leaves these small files on your SD card, and what happens is eventually that one of those files is going to end up corrupting your SD card, and then it's just going to do stuff like shut your camera off. And oh my gosh, like I said before, the fact that you're losing all that time that you spent recording and all that footage and all that talking is so maddening. So what you need to do is, if you have a Mac, you need to make sure that you go to the disk utility and erase your card completely, and make sure that the format is the exFAT format, and then make sure that, now what's going to happen is slowly but surely the amount of time that you have left to record on your GoPro is going to get shorter and shorter, right? Like, so this camera almost always has 5 hours and 38 minutes when it's completely empty. But eventually, that's going to turn into, you know, 5 hours and 15 minutes, and then all of a sudden, you've got like 2.5 hours yet, and 2.5 hours of recording time on a blank, supposedly blank SD card, and then you wonder where all that's went. It's because you've got all these tiny little files that aren't getting completely deleted by your computer. So make sure your card is completely empty. Make sure that it's formatted correctly, and that might solve your camera shutting off problem. But guys, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully this is something that's helpful to you, or something, if you've experienced this problem, you can't figure it out, that this might be what it takes to fix the problem with your GoPro, because it is just absolutely annoying. Leave it in the comments if you have had other problems that you've solved in different ways, because like I've said before, this might not just help me, but this might end up helping somebody else. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.